Welcome to episode number 2. And what you see is we are all geared up to go for a sourcing visit, a sourcing trip rather. So, this sourcing trip was exclusively lined up for the marble selection. My client intended to have a marble floor for the living and dining makeover. So, we had first visited CMC, which is in Bhandup. So, we had gone there for seeing different kind of marble variants with regards to the floor and even for walls. So a lot of new options were there, exotic marbles. Then we had seen varieties of whites because that is what we are intending to have in our living and the dining area. So different varieties of whites what we had seen there. Apart from that, we had gone through the different CNC laser cutting techniques which are there in the marble. So it was a very good visit with regards to all the fresh stock which is there. Most of the stock available were all imported. It was Vietnamese marble. There were options from Spain, Portugal, and we had even seen onyx because onyx is what I'm proposing for the Mandir area. So onyx is definitely from Iran. So apart from CMC, we had even visited Ville Parle. So the samples what you see here are the samples which are different grades, different varieties of marbles with different vendors. So the trip or the sourcing visit was a very fruitful one as there were a lot of exotic marbles also options which opened up, so that we were in a position to identify which one to go for the floor and even the concept for different bathrooms, the concept for different kitchen. Although we have a lot of tiles option which are there, I'll be definitely going for tiles for the other part of the house, be it wall and floor. But yes, usually all these are somewhere a copy of the marble varieties. So seeing actual marble makes you the grain knowledge very much clear as to which one will be suitable for which option, what color combination goes well with the principal or the parent marble or the parent tile. So onyx also was available there, and that also was in varied colors and varied forms. A lot of different techniques on marble are also available these days, like leather finish. There are resin art which is done on Travertine marble. So these are the flute. What you see here are the flutes which is done on an exotic marble. So if you see the actual marble and if you see the outcome, it is completely a different experience. So the sourcing trip was a very good one, and we enjoyed the sourcing trip. I hope you also enjoyed this video. If you like my content and it resonate my content, then definitely like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. I'll be updating all such progress of this project, so stay tuned. Thank you.